Well, believe it or not, we're in Cooma at the moment. This is the flash flooding from that storm that just went through. This is flash flooding at Cooma. Just look at all this water.